Hi, Michael Bloom, chiropractor. One of the most common things I see in practice is neck pain and headache, and predominantly it's caused by a loss of the correct neck curve and the neck posture over time. Too much time spent looking at devices, looking down, looking at screens at the wrong height, or just slouching around on the couch even potentially. But really what I'm talking about is that the curve in our neck we're meant to have, we start to lose it and hook forward and our head comes forward. What that creates is excess stress and strain on the neck because the head position as it comes further forward that way creates a lot more of a load through the neck bone. So let me show you two simple stretches that you can start to incorporate just to encourage the curve in your neck. I'll show you a beginner version and then a more advanced version. And it's so simple, like it literally couldn't be more simple, but it's something that I'd suggest you do on a regular basis. In fact, if you're watching this, why don't you do it along with me? Certainly at least the basic version, such as I'm about to show you. So with the basic version, given the fact that most people, and probably you who are watching this, have lost some of the shape of your neck, a basic version is just stretching back like so. So it's literally just arching your head back and holding at the end point. You want to hold that end point for a count of 5 to 10, whatever's comfortable. It's common you'll feel a lot of tension and tightness through the front here because your muscles at the front are most likely hyper switched on. They're creating part of the problem by pulling too tightly regularly. So you want to start to stretch them and get that curve into your neck. It feels really soothing and relaxing. Just arching back. It's as simple as that. It's not complicated. A lot of stretches that are really great stretches for people to do, whether it's their neck or their lower back, they're not complicated. It's just a matter of doing them. So I'd suggest that you hold for 5 to 10 seconds that is, and do at least 10 of those. Try to do 10 of those multiple times throughout the day. It's going to be really soothing and it'll feel really good when you do it. Now I also have an advanced version of those that want to dip a little further into this and add a little bit more difficulty to it and also increase the depth of change that can come about. And I'll show you that right now. So with the more advanced stretch, you're going to need to get a piece of elastic or a resistance band and utilize that. So the movements are very similar. You're going to use the resistance band, however, behind your neck. You're going to hold it either side, hook the thumbs into it. And as you arc your head back, you're going to pull your hands forward. So you're pulling the band into your neck at the same time you're extending your head backwards. As you come back to the start point, you ease the pressure back off your hands so that the resistance band comes back to a point where it doesn't have any tension through it. And the instructions are the same. The instructions are to hold for a 5 to 10 second period, do 10 of those, do them multiple times through the day. If you have a resistance band and you want to take it to the next level, both of these stretches, whether you do the basic one or the advanced one, they're really going to help get that movement and that arc back into your neck that undoubtedly you've lost to some degree. And they feel really soothing. It's likely to increase the flexibility of your neck, decrease the pain in your neck, decrease the likelihood of headaches. It's something so simple to do, and you can do it from the comfort of your own home, and you can do it regularly, and it's not harmful. It's not going to cause any problems. So I hope this has been of use to you. I hope you've done it along with the video if you're watching this. And if you have any comments, please leave them and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks for watching.